Today I'm revealing how affiliate marketing beginners are making money fast. I'm talking about complete beginners with zero previous experience. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay. I'm a full-time affiliate marketer, and in this video, I will share everything you need to know to start making money fast. Whether you are a complete beginner at making money online, or maybe you've been at it for a while, but just not had the success you were hoping for, stick with me. This video is for you. And before we get going, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please be sure to click the subscribe button right now and hit the notification bell too, because I post multiple new videos every week, and you'll want to be sure you get the information. Also, I hope you will support my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Hit the like button also to let YouTube know that this is the kind of content you like. Right up front, let me tell you there really is no big secret to making money in affiliate marketing. With just a few things in place, you can have massive success, and I will outline those for you in just a second. But first, let me get one challenge out of the way right up front. There is a lot of BS online about how much money you can make starting out, and it's important you begin with realistic expectations. The average everyday person is usually not going to make many thousands of dollars their first month. And I'd rather be right up front with you. I wish it was the norm, but it's just not. Sure, there are a number of legitimate heavy hitters making crazy big money in affiliate marketing, but they are the exception, not the rule. And almost all of them have been at it for a while, and typically they have really large email lists, huge followings on social media, or other advantages the beginner just doesn't have. I want to share a very realistic way to make, say, $120 per day to start and build from there. And again, it's something a complete beginner can do. No previous experience is necessary. If you've been looking at affiliate marketing, you've found that there are affiliate offers for almost everything. And I think of them in three major categories. The most common are affiliate programs like Amazon. It's a great company with a lot of great products. The challenge with these kind of affiliate offers, though, is that they mostly pay out small one-time commissions. And that means you have to sell a lot of stuff every day, day after day, to make significant income. It becomes a lot of work, almost like having another job. And the typical beginner will find there is a big learning curve too. At the other end of the spectrum are what we call high-ticket affiliate programs. These can be things ranging from $100 or $200 to thousands. And while the commissions can be big, the two challenges here are that most beginners will take a long time to develop the marketing skills they need, and it costs a lot of money to get started. I want to share an option in between these two. It's the business I've been building. It's my number one recommendation for beginners and veteran marketers too to make money fast. Here are the high points. First, it's based on a high-demand product with real value. I emphasize that because so many affiliate products on some of the affiliate networks are things I just don't want my name attached to. I'm sure you don't either. This business is super affordable to start. I'm talking the kind of money you would spend on a nice lunch out. Things are so much easier when you aren't under the pressure of a big cash outlay. I've been there. It's a business that takes a minimal amount of time. We teach people how to do this in about 30 minutes per day at your own schedule. And you do not need to make phone calls or do any techie stuff. We provide you with a complete marketing system. It's super simple to use and easy to customize. And no, I won't try to sell you other marketing tools, systems, or training programs. You will have everything you need. It pays out big commissions and has recurring income too, and each sale can be worth $120 month after month. And most importantly, you will benefit from what I've found to be the best training in the industry and my one-on-one mentoring too. To learn more, go to my website, makemorefaster.com, or click the link in the description. Go ahead and do it now. We'll talk soon.